That one Johnny Cash song. And today, I'm going to be going on a little trip. And you're coming with me. Alright, so I did kind of lie. It's not today, but it's in a week from today. 1 week on the dot, I will be doing things. Basically, I will be traveling from Minnesota, Minneapolis, Twin Cities, to Milwaukee. By itself, that's a 4.5 hour drive. That's not horrible. It's manageable. Because I got some other stuff I need to do, it will be longer. I will be going from Minneapolis to La Crosse to Platteville to Milwaukee. That's because I need to visit my grandma and my girlfriend as well. It's going to be about a 7-hour drive, which I'm not terribly excited about, but at the same time, it's going to be kind of fun. And technically, I'm also doing this other little trip for the lacrosse team. Technically, I'm going to Florida.
Holy cow.
Holy cats.
Dexter. But we don't care about that. That's irrelevant. Who goes to Florida? That's a flyover state. Wisconsin, that's a real state. So yeah, I'm going to throw it up on the screen right now. This is my plan right now. This plan is what I'm rocking with. Do have to adjust a little bit because turns out my dining hall is not open during spring break, so that sucks. But I'll be going back and doing something. So here's the game plan. I will be arriving back from Florida at 12:41 a.m. on Sunday. I will be approximately getting back to my dorm at 1:30 a.m. Go to sleep immediately. Just get here, brush my teeth, fall asleep. 9 a.m. wake up. 9:10 actually wake up because there's no way I'm waking up at 9 a.m. 9:20 grab coffee and a snack from the dining hall. But the dining hall's closed, so I think I'm gonna get one from the market and put it in my fridge. All right, it is 9:23, and this right here is my breakfast. Got 4 granola bars, a frickin' coffee, which I don't really drink coffee, but I'm hoping it'll give me energy for this drive, and then a Core Power. But it's not chocolate, so I'm pretty disappointed. And after that, we're on the road, baby. Yeah. 9:30, go grab the van. All right, so we are currently 6 minutes behind schedule, 7 minutes behind schedule. That's because I didn't realize how much stuff I had, so it kind of took a while to get it here. But we're on the move, baby. We're getting on the move. 9:40, leave Minnesota. We are on our way to La Crosse. We're getting there. We're going to La Crosse. La Crosse. La Crosse, La Crosse, La Crosse. 12:10 p.m. Arrive in La Crosse. Pick up snack, ideally meat, from a gas station or grocery store. Alright, so I'm at a quick pit stop in this beautiful little town called Coon City. It's really cool. I gotta say, one of my favorite things about traveling is small towns. I love just stopping in them, seeing what's happening. They're always so unique. It's always so interesting. I mean, the place I was just in, they had locally made wind chimes, jams, jalapeno eggs, which I didn't even know was a thing. Well, I'll play some of the footage over top, but it's just so interesting. And they had these malted milk balls, which is what I ended up getting. I originally planned on getting meat. These just caught my eye. And these are just so good. These just melt in your mouth. I give Coon Valley 10 out of 10 fingers. It's time to head to Platteville. I'm in probably one of the most beautiful places I've seen. What time is it right now? Hopefully 4:10 because we're arriving in Platteville. Gonna have
Chocolate
dinner with my
pie.
grandma and probably do something else with my grandma.
Hi.
Hello. Now finally, I'm home. I'm back in Milwaukee. Not Milwaukee, but a suburbs, suburb. I can finally sleep in my own bed. And that's exactly where I am now. And yeah, that's the entire trip. It hasn't happened yet, and it won't for a little bit yet. But I'm excited for it to happen because I'm getting pretty sick of this place. Alright. Stay safe out there. Don't do drugs. drink some beer.